Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today I'm going to answer a question that I got in some of the comments, and someone sent me an email about it. So they're wondering, is their own self-doubt ruining their spells? So is their lack of trust ruining their intention to be able to do magic? So I'm sure that this has a lot of different answers that people can come across, and I think it all kinds of depends on your own personal beliefs first off, the path that you are walking, and how strongly you are doing the things that you're doing and when are you doing the things that you're doing. So let's get into that a little bit. So to me, magic is being mindful, working with intention, and putting action into the things that you're trying to do. So it's putting forth an intention or a prayer in a mindful way, being currently aware of how you are feeling and how everything is feeling, making sure that you're really focusing on that intention, and also then putting in the action to achieve the thing that you're trying to work on. So you don't just set it and forget it and not work on those things that you're trying to achieve. So that right there is a big difference. And so you must have trust at that point in time that your intention is the right intention, that your intention is true, and that your intention is going to manifest itself. You have to have that faith and that trust that that manifestation at that point in time is going to work the way that you're working it for that magic to work. Because if you're doubting yourself right then at the very beginning, you're doubting the whole entire thing and you're not really setting that intention to begin with. So that's the one way to look at it. But we have to remember that magic doesn't occur overnight, that things don't manifest overnight. They manifest over time. And so as time goes by, you need to not let that self-doubt creep in then as well. And I think that if it does start to creep in, then you start to undo the things that you had done. So I do think that having that self-doubt and lack of trust on all sorts of different levels can unravel the things that you have done. But let's talk about what sort of things that we can do to prevent that from happening. Now, most of us, myself included, have cases of or times of self-doubt. You know, not everything that we do or everything that we're sure of are we 100% sure that everything is going to work out perfect. So we utilize the tools around us. We use our crystals and our herbs and our spiritual products and all those types of things that I sell in the shop. Like when you actually create a spell, or you create a magical thing, or you make a manifestation pouch or something like that, you're creating something out of the tools to remind you of that intention. So I think that if you are one that has a problem with that sort of set it and forget it, but keep putting energy into it, keep working towards those goals, things that you should really consider doing some sort of magic that involves creating something or carrying something on your person afterwards, so that you can constantly remind yourself to work towards those goals, to work towards that thing, and you're not giving the self-doubt a chance to creep in, that you're carrying your trust in your pocket all the time, or you're lighting a candle every morning to remind yourself of that. Something that has some sort of repetitive action that you are constantly working towards that goal will definitely reduce the self-doubt that's going to creep in. So I'm hoping that that helps to answer your question, and that I give you a little bit of tips or something that will spark that. If you guys want to learn more about intention, and also if you guys want to talk more about this as our spiritual chat on Sunday, make sure that you definitely comment down below, and I will see what I can do about making this the topic of our spiritual check-in chat this week. So many blessings, tribe. Catch that video on intention to learn how to set them to begin with so that you start off right. And hopefully think about those ways so that you can keep that self-doubt away, keep that trust going, and have some faith in yourself. Many blessings. We'll talk to you real soon.